What's up, YouTube? Want to hop on here and make a video for wrestlers about how to set up your daily caloric intake. Hope you guys enjoy. So, wrestlers, setting up your calories is a super important part of the sport. Everyone knows you have to weigh in for every match or tournament, and if you don't make weight, well, you don't wrestle. And setting up your calories can be a huge portion of making weight and your performance as well. So, where to start? This is huge. Go to calculator.net/BMR-calculator. I'm going to give you guys an example here. 16-year-old male wrestler. He's 5'7". He weighs 165 pounds. This is what the screen is going to look like when you visit this website. You input your information. 16 male, 5'7", 165. It spits you out this equation here, BMR. At rest, if he does nothing but lay down, he's going to burn 1,737 calories. For wrestlers, we practice 5 days a week and often have tournaments on the weekend. So I want you guys to look at the row that says exercise 4 to 5 times a week and daily exercise or intense exercise 3 to 4 times a week. And we're actually going to try to stick with that one first. So that one says he is burning 2,692 calories every single day. That's where we're going to start. Now, same thing as before. This is important. Find your maintenance level calories, the calories that you need to stay the same weight for practicing every day. We're going to use 2,692. Next, you need to determine your meals. I want you guys to eat 4 meals a day, scheduled around a moderate to high amount of protein, enough carbs to fuel your exercise, and enough fats to maintain your hormones. So with this example, 2,692 calories divided into 4 meals per day. Now, look at the left chart. That's if you divide this up evenly into 4 meals. That's fine. If you guys can do that, do it. Otherwise, follow the red arrow to the other chart. This is 4 meals a day with lower calories at breakfast and before bed. Now, lunch and dinner have more calories because, like the last video we talked about, you want to sandwich your workouts or practices with more calories, more carbs. Does everyone see this? For weight loss, remember your maintenance calories. Find that number. And for this example, we're using 2,692. You're going to subtract 300. Now, we made a new graph with new calories for each meal. They went down on each meal. That is going to be your new goal as far as what to eat calorie-wise per meal. Does everyone see that? So, to summarize, determine your maintenance calories. That has to come first. Aim for 4 meals per day to lose weight. This is where we're going to start. This is a starting point. We're going to subtract 300 calories from your maintenance number. And you're going to do that every day. And you will gradually see your weight loss. We'll talk about another video for hitting plateaus in the future. And last 2 things here, guys. Stick to the plan. Make a plan and stick to it. It will work. And expect daily weight fluctuations. That's normal. Most of those will be just water weight. So you'll sweat that out at practice. Do not worry about daily weight fluctuations if you are sticking to your plan of subtracting 300 calories every day. Guys, stay tuned for more videos and stay tough out there. Weight loss is hard. Thanks for watching.